I've always loved the 47 through 53 Chevy pickups. Advanced design is what this body style is called. You can tell it from the others because of the distinctive 5 horizontal bars across the grille. My truck is a 53 and it spent most of its life on a farm in Montana. It's a true farm truck. I wanted to preserve its working pedigree by leaving the exterior just the way that it is. I love the authentic patina. What you can't see from the outside is the modern LS engine that was pulled from a wrecked 2014 Chevy Silverado that only had 2,000 miles on it. You also can't see the modern independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering, tilt column, and modern overdrive transmission. The truck is an absolute blast to drive, yet it's still something that you can jump in and haul firewood with. I wanted something that you can drive any day of the week, any distance, in any weather, for any reason. I'm putting miles on this truck and I love it just the way it is. It gets a thumbs up everywhere I go. You can check out the full build thread with more photos and videos of the truck on Classic Nation.
Okay, did you like that? All right, well, just click on like and subscribe and you'll go to our site.
Our YouTube channel.
Our YouTube channel. There you go. That's where you'll go, actually, to our YouTube channel, and then
You'll be notified of new videos.
yeah, and then you'll get you'll hear about new videos. You'll be notified, and you'll be entertained on and on.